Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change SIM card PIN code on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the security section, and here you have the SIM card lock options. And here you can change your SIM PIN. Firstly you have to enter your old SIM PIN, then you have to enter the new PIN, then you have to confirm it, and that's how you can change SIM PIN. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.